Hey, my name is Paul. Today I will show you amazing list of.
Speaker grill cloth.
If this video helped you to select a nice product, please put a like and subscribe to this amazing channel.
Hello, today we're going to show you how to do some speaker grill fabric replacement. We have a lot of customers ask us about this here at the shop at Simply Speakers, and we want to show you a few different types that we normally run into at the store that you may run into at home as well, that you can do yourself. We sell the grill fabrics. We have several different colors of the grill fabric available, brown and a black, kind of an ivory color, a pure white, and from time to time we vary that out as well. There may be some others out there for you that we'll have available. And we want to show you today, we have an Advent grill. This is an original Advent grill, and the fabric is in pretty good shape, but the customer in this case wants to change it to a black fabric to give it a little more modern appearance. So we're going to show you that. This grill is made on a masonite frame that is stapled in place, so we're going to show you the removal and re-grilling of that particular one. We have a Tannoy, small Tannoy speaker grill here that we're going to do for you. This is made on an MDF or medium density fiberboard frame. This is being glued in place, and we'll show you how to do that and to remove and reuse the logo there as well. And then here we have a Boston Acoustics frame that this grill came into us, and the customer wants to just kind of dress them up and get a kind of a newer look to them, so we're going to redo this as well. This frame is plastic, and this is molded from the factory. We're going to show you how to remove the fabric there and redo that one. So we have 3 grills we're going to do for you today. We'll do them all in the black for you using our special adhesive that we sell here and that we use at the shop for this purpose. And if you need to purchase any of the fabrics from us, they're available at simplyspeakers.com.